In this video, I'll show you how to set up the AT&T Smart Wi-Fi Extender using two simple methods to improve Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate weak signal areas in your home. What's in the box? You'll typically find AT&T Smart Wi-Fi Extender, power adapter, Ethernet cable, quick start guide. Before you begin, place the extender near your AT&T gateway. Method 1. Setup using the Smart Home Manager app. First, download and open the AT&T Smart Home Manager app and sign in with your AT&T account. Then, tap Network. Select Home Network. Choose Hardware. Tap Add Extender. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin setup. Plug in the extender and wait while it connects to your gateway. During this process, the front LED may blink white. When the light turns solid white, the extender has been successfully connected and is ready to use. Method 2. Setup using an Ethernet cable. Step 1. Connect the Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the included Ethernet cable into a yellow LAN port on the AT&T gateway. Connect the other end to any yellow Ethernet port on the extender. Step 2. Power on the extender. Connect the power adapter. Plug the extender into a wall outlet. The rear power LED should turn solid green. Step 3. Wait for pairing. The front LED will blink white while the extender starts up. Wait a few minutes for the pairing process to finish. When the front LED becomes solid white, the extender is successfully connected. Move the extender. After setup is complete, unplug and move the extender to the weak Wi-Fi area. Place it between the gateway and the weak signal spot. Avoid floors, metal objects, and electronic interference. Check the status light. Solid white. The extender is connected and working properly. Blinking white. The extender is starting up or connecting to the gateway. To learn more details, check out the full guide linked in the description. Already using an AT&T Smart Wi-Fi Extender or planning to get one? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Wi-Fi setup and troubleshooting guides from Tekzoid.